Today I'm going to turn a jar of my chicken corn chowder soup that I canned into this casserole with some things from my pantry shelf. Come along and join me as I am trying to use up things from my pantry at Pike Creek Farm.
Okay, I got a tablespoon and a half of butter in here. Actually, I'm going to add some more. And I am just winging this. This is not any set recipe. I just want to use up a jar of this, and it just seemed like a natural way to use. And this just seemed like a natural way to use it. I have spaghetti I need to use up. I had cream of chicken soup. I have sour cream. And I brought up some canned chicken too in case I need that. Just in case this doesn't look meaty enough. It'd be fine for me, but my husband is the picky one. Now, if you wanted to saute some onions and celery, but there's already vegetables in this soup, so I'm going to go with that. I am making this easy. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of flour to make a roux. It was hot here today, like 85, 86. So that's why there's background noise. Our air conditioner makes a lot of noise, but it works, so that's the important thing. Okay, I'm going to open this up to get the broth out of it. And I'm not going to add the solids right now, just the broth. This smells good already because it was a really well-seasoned soup, so I don't need to add a lot of extra. I'm not going to right off the get-go. I'm going to make the base and then taste it. And if I think it needs some more, then I will add it, but I don't want to over-season it. Let this come up to a boil and start to thicken. I'm going to add a can of cream of chicken. You could use your cream of anything soup base and mix up some of that too. I'm trying to just make this easy, and I have this that needs to be used up. I'm going to wait though until it thickens a little. It's thickening, see? Hi, Missy. No veggies. I thought about adding more corn, but there's quite a bit of corn in that. So I'm going to add the soup in with sound effects. And like I said, you could mix up a cup of your cream of anything soup mix and add that in too. Just a dollop of sour cream. Turn the heat down. That adds some zip to it. Okay, now I'm going to add in that soup. Take the bay leaf out if you have this kind of soup. No one wants to bite into a bay leaf. I am going to add this chicken. And this is chicken thighs. I don't really want the juice at this point. I might need it, but I'm going to try without. That is really good broth though. Okay, I'm going to fold that in. That looks better. So I'm going to taste it and see what I think it needs spice-wise. Not a lot. I'm going to add some pepper. Now, if you wanted to make this spicy, you could do that. You could add green chili. I'm going to add some celery salt. That smells so good, the celery salt does. This soup already had thyme and rosemary. It had onions and celery. So it had a lot of seasoned items in it already. I'm going to cook, it's about a pound of spaghetti. So now I'm going to grate up some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese. I usually use a cheddar or a Colby Jack or something like that. So I'm going to shred some of this up to go in the middle and then on top. I'm going to spray this casserole. Well, I hope I cooked enough spaghetti. It's so hard for me to figure out that stuff. So we're going to mix it together. I'd rather have it saucier though than dry. I'm going to put half of this in here. I am making a mess of my stove. Some nights I just do that. It seems. Okay, I'm going to put my oven on 350. I'm going to put half of this cheese. Then we're going to put the rest. So you could do this with leftover soup, soup you have in the freezer, canned soup, commercially canned soup. That's all the cheese I'm going to put on top. My husband isn't always a huge fan of cheese, so this is going to go in the oven, and everything's hot, so it just has to kind of like meld together and get the cheese melted. Here it is out of the oven. It is bubbling, so we're going to let it rest for a few minutes before we take a serving of it. Here it is. Woo! It's still hot. And it is not dry, it is saucy. I like things saucy, because I know it will get drier overnight. The corn is so good in this, and the potatoes, and I'm glad I added the extra chicken. This is really good. But it's very versatile. You know, like some bacon would have been good on top, even some chopped green onions. I just made a real easy, quick version. But use what you have on hand. Use the canned soups that you have on hand and turn it into a main dish. Because we need to get those jars off our shelves to put the new jars up there. We need to keep rotating. And for some reason, that soup, as good as it was, I wasn't rotating it. But this will work. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.